Hello, everyone. I am Emily. Welcome to English Club.
Hi, Emily.
Hi, Paul. How are you today?
I am very good, thank you. How are you, Emily?
I am wonderful. Thank you for asking.
You look happy today.
Yes, I am. I saw a beautiful bird this morning.
A bird? That is nice.
Yes, it was singing in the tree.
Birds are beautiful creatures.
Yes, they are. Animals make me happy.
Me too. Animals are special.
Did you see any animals today?
Yes, I saw a dog on my walk.
A dog. Dogs are friendly.
Yes, this dog was very friendly. It wagged its tail.
That is sweet. I love when dogs wag their tails.
It means they are happy.
Yes, it does. So, Paul, what are we talking about today?
Before we start today's topic, please like and subscribe to our channel for more English learning videos.
Yes, please. Subscribing really helps us.
Thank you so much.
So, Paul, today we are talking about how animals help us.
How animals help us. That is a great topic.
Yes, it is. Animals help us in many ways.
I agree. Animals are very important.
Yes, they are. Let us talk about different animals.
Good idea. Which animal should we start with?
Let us start with dogs.
Dogs. Dogs are amazing animals.
Yes, they are. Dogs help us in many ways.
That is true. How do dogs help us, Emily?
Well, dogs are great companions.
Companions? That means friends.
Yes, exactly. Dogs are our friends.
Dogs stay with us and keep us company.
Yes, when we feel lonely, dogs make us feel better.
That is so true. My dog makes me happy every day.
That is wonderful. Dogs also protect us.
Protect us. Yes, dogs guard our homes.
Exactly. Dogs bark when strangers come near.
This keeps us safe.
Yes, it does. Dogs are very loyal.
Loyal? That means they stay with us always.
Yes, dogs never leave their owners.
That is why people love dogs so much.
I agree. Dogs also help people with disabilities.
Disabilities? What do you mean?
Some people cannot see. They use guide dogs.
Guide dogs? Those are special dogs.
Yes, guide dogs help blind people walk safely.
That is amazing. Dogs are very smart.
They are. Some dogs also help people who cannot hear.
Really? How do they help?
Hearing dogs alert people when there is a sound.
Like when the doorbell rings?
Yes, exactly. Or when there is danger.
Dogs are incredible helpers.
Yes, they are. What other animals help us, Paul?
Cats help us too.
Cats. Yes. Tell me how cats help us.
Well, cats are good companions too.
Like dogs.
Yes. Cats keep us company at home.
Cats are calm and quiet.
Yes, they are. Cats help us relax.
How do they help us relax?
When cats purr, it makes us feel calm.
Purring. That is the sound cats make.
Yes, the sound is very soothing.
Soothing. That means calming.
Exactly. Cats also catch mice.
Mice. Yes, that is helpful.
Many years ago, cats helped farmers.
How did they help farmers?
Cats caught mice that ate the grain.
So cats protected the food.
Yes, exactly. Cats were very important on farms.
That is interesting. Cats still catch mice today.
Yes, they do. It is their natural instinct.
Instinct. That means natural behavior.
Yes, cats are natural hunters.
That is true. What other animals help us?
Horses help us.
Horses. Yes, horses are strong animals.
Very strong. How do horses help us, Emily?
Horses help us with transportation.
Transportation, moving from place to place.
Yes, people ride horses to travel.
Many years ago, horses were the main transportation.
Before cars, people used horses.
That is right. Horses pulled carriages.
Carriages, those are like wagons.
Yes, people sat in carriages and horses pulled them.
That is how people traveled long distances.
Horses also help on farms.
How do they help on farms?
Horses pull plows.
Plows, those are tools for farming.
Yes, plows prepare the soil for planting.
So horses help farmers grow food.
Exactly. Horses are very helpful animals.
Yes, they are. Horses also help with therapy.
Therapy? What is that?
Therapy helps people feel better emotionally.
Oh, I see. How do horses help with that?
People ride horses and it makes them feel happy.
Riding horses is calming.
Yes, very calming. It helps people with stress.
That is wonderful. Animals help us in so many ways.
They do. Let us talk about birds.
Birds, good idea. How do birds help us?
Birds eat insects.
Insects, like mosquitoes and flies?
Yes, exactly. Birds eat many insects.
This helps us because insects can be annoying.
Yes, and some insects carry diseases.
So birds protect us from diseases.
In a way, yes. Birds also help plants grow.
How do they help plants grow?
Birds spread seeds.
Spread seeds? How do they do that?
Birds eat fruit and then fly away.
And the seeds come out in different places.
Yes, exactly. This helps new plants grow.
That is amazing. Birds help nature.
Yes, they do. Birds also make us happy with their songs.
Bird songs are beautiful.
Yes, listening to birds makes us feel peaceful.
I agree. I love hearing birds in the morning.
Me too. It is a lovely way to start the day.
What other animals help us, Emily?
Bees help us.
Bees? Those are small insects.
Yes, bees are very important.
How do bees help us?
Bees make honey.
Honey? That is sweet and delicious.
Yes, people eat honey and use it in cooking.
Honey is also good for health.
Yes, it is. But bees do something even more important.
What is that?
Bees pollinate flowers.
Pollinate? What does that mean?
Bees carry pollen from flower to flower.
Pollen? That is like flower dust.
Yes, exactly. When bees carry pollen, plants can make fruit.
So without bees, we would not have fruit.
That is right. We would not have many vegetables either.
Bees are very important for food.
Yes, they are. We need bees to survive.
That is amazing. I did not know bees were so important.
Many people do not know. We should protect bees.
I agree. What other animals help us?
Cows help us.
Cows? Yes, cows are farm animals.
That is right. How do cows help us, Paul?
Cows give us milk.
Yes, we drink milk every day.
Milk is very nutritious.
Nutritious. That means healthy and good for us.
Yes, milk has calcium for strong bones.
That is right. We also make cheese from milk.
And butter and yogurt.
Yes, all these come from cow milk.
Cows are very helpful animals.
They are. Cows also give us meat.
Yes, beef comes from cows.
Many people eat beef. Cows help feed many people around the world.
That is true. What about chickens, Paul?
Chickens help us too.
How do chickens help us?
Chickens give us eggs.
Yes, eggs are very common food.
People eat eggs for breakfast.
Eggs are full of protein.
Protein, that helps build strong muscles.
Yes, eggs are very healthy.
Chickens also give us meat.
Yes, chicken meat is very popular.
Many people around the world eat chicken.
Chickens are easy to raise on farms.
That is why they are common.
Yes, chickens help feed millions of people.
Animals really do help us so much.
They do. Let us talk about sheep.
Sheep, those are fluffy animals.
Yes, very fluffy. How does sheep help us?
Sheep give us wool.
Wool. That is their thick hair.
Yes, farmers cut the wool from sheep. This does not hurt the sheep.
No, it is like getting a haircut.
Yes, exactly. Then we use the wool to make clothes.
Like sweaters and blankets.
Yes, wool keeps us warm in winter.
Wool is very soft and comfortable.
It is. Sheep also give us meat.
Yes, lamb meat comes from sheep.
Some people eat lamb.
Sheep are very useful animals.
They are. What about fish, Paul?
Fish. Fish live in water.
Yes. How do fish help us?
Fish are food for many people.
Yes, people eat fish all over the world.
Fish is very healthy.
Fish has omega-3.
Omega-3. What is that?
It is a healthy fat that is good for our brain.
Good for our brain. That is important.
Yes, eating fish makes us smart and healthy.
Many cultures depend on fish for food.
Yes, people who live near the ocean eat a lot of fish.
Fishing is an important job.
It is. Fishermen catch fish for people to eat.
Fish help feed the world.
That is true. Animals are so important for food.
Yes, they are. What other ways do animals help us?
Animals help us with work.
Work? What kind of work?
In some countries, oxen help plow fields.
Oxen. Those are like big cows.
Yes, exactly. They are very strong.
They pull heavy plows through the soil.
Yes, this helps farmers prepare land for planting.
In other countries, donkeys carry heavy loads.
Donkeys, those are smaller than horses.
Yes, but they are very strong.
Donkeys carry things in mountains.
Yes, where cars cannot go.
Animals help people in difficult places.
That is true. Camels help in deserts.
Camels, yes, those are interesting animals.
Camels can walk for days without water.
Yes, they store water in their bodies.
People ride camels across the desert.
Camels carry people and supplies.
Without camels, desert travel would be very hard.
Camels are perfect for hot, dry places.
Yes, they are. Animals are so amazing.
They really are. Animals also help us emotionally.
Emotionally, what do you mean?
Animals make us feel happy and loved.
Yes, pets make us feel better.
When we are sad, animals comfort us.
Comfort. They make us feel better.
Yes, petting a dog or cat makes us calm.
That is true. Animals sense our feelings.
Yes, they do. Animals know when we are sad.
And they stay close to us.
That is very special.
Some animals are therapy animals.
Therapy animals. Yes, we talked about that earlier.
These animals visit hospitals and nursing homes.
They help sick people feel better.
Just seeing an animal makes people smile.
Yes, animals bring joy to people.
Animals are truly wonderful.
They are. We should always be kind to animals.
Yes, animals deserve our kindness.
They help us so much.
We should help them too.
How can we help animals, Paul?
We can give them food and water.
Yes, and a safe place to live.
We should never hurt animals.
No, never. Animals feel pain just like us.
We should protect animals and their homes.
Yes, many animals are losing their homes.
Because of pollution and deforestation.
Deforestation. That means cutting down forests.
Yes, when forests disappear, animals have nowhere to live.
That is very sad.
We need to protect nature.
Yes, for the animals and for us.
Animals and humans need to live together.
In harmony.
Harmony. That means peacefully together.
Yes, we need each other.
That is true. Animals need us and we need animals.
Exactly. So everyone listening, please be kind to animals.
Yes, if you see an animal in need, help it.
Give animals food and water if you can.
And never hurt animals.
Animals are living beings with feelings.
They deserve respect and love.
I agree completely.
So, let us review what we learned today.
Good idea. We learned many ways animals help us.
Dogs help us as companions and protectors.
Cats help us relax and catch mice.
Horses help with transportation and farm work.
Birds eat insects and spread seeds.
Bees make honey and pollinate plants.
Cows give us milk and meat.
Chickens give us eggs and meat.
Sheep give us wool and meat.
Fish give us healthy food.
And animals help us with work and emotional support.
Animals do so much for us.
Yes, they do. We are very lucky to have animals.
We should always remember to thank them.
By being kind and protecting them.
Exactly. So, everyone listening, do you have a story about how an animal helped you?
Yes, please leave a comment and share your story.
We would love to hear from you.
Maybe an animal made you smile or helped you in some way.
Please tell us in the comments.
Sharing stories helps us all learn and appreciate animals more.
Please like and subscribe to English Club for more English learning videos. Thank you for listening.
Yes, subscribing helps us create more content about interesting topics like this.
We have many more lessons to help you learn English naturally.
Thank you so much for listening today.
We hope you enjoyed learning about how animals help us.
Remember to be kind to all animals.
They make our world better.
Thank you, everyone. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Take care and love animals.